Let's learn alphabets. N for nachos. N-A-C-H-O-S. Nachos. Nachos are very tasty. N for night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. We can see moon and stars at night. N for net. N-E-T. Net. Fisherman is using net to catch the fish. N for nail polish. N-A-I-L-P-O-L-I-S-H. Nail polish. We apply nail polish on our nails. N for nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. A nurse takes care of patients in hospitals. N for noodles. N-O-O-D-L-E-S. Noodles. Noodles are very yummy. N for notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. We use notebook to write something. N for nine. N-I-N-E. Nine. Nine is an odd number. N for nuts. N-U-T-S. Nuts. Nuts are very healthy. N for newspaper. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R. Newspaper. We should read newspaper every day. N for necklace. N-E-C-K-L-A-C-E. Necklace. It is a very beautiful necklace. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Birds live in nest. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Keep learning.